Hi, Joe Glavin. Today we're here to discuss the Bona FlexiSand PowerDrive. Has a lot of similar features to the FlexiSand DCS offer from Bona, except that this version has a gear-driven ring gear underneath the chassis, which I'll show you. As opposed to 175 RPMs, it's gonna run about 160-ish RPMs. With the PowerDrive, you know, we're looking at a increased weight, probably anywhere from 115, 120 pounds, somewhere in there. And has all of the dust collection features as the FlexiSand DCS. We get to raise and lower our handle, same way with a piston lock. We also have large transport wheels for up and down curbs, up the steps and risers. An LED light to see where we're going. Now, because this unit is gear driven, and by gear driven, you can see right here is a ring gear on the bottom of the chassis, and attached to that is our PowerDrive unit. So this multi-disc head is 4-disc head. The discs are 150 millimeters or 6 inches. This unit, when it's assembled, because of this ring gear, and each disc is driven then by the rotation on its own pinion gear underneath, we get a unique travel path. So instead of, you know, raising the handle up and the buffer going right and lowering it, the buffer going left, these discs are counterbalancing each other, and we can get a path as if we were sanding with a walk-behind machine. We are going to sand with this unit with the handle up. I believe it's recommended that the handle be up, but I'd have to verify that. You can also sand with this machine with the handle bent forward, so it's almost like you have a stand-up edger, and I'll show you that as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut this path that's in front of us here. We have a hickory floor here that was fairly cupped. We have done a forward and back pass on this already. This does have separate dust containment. It is ported for dust collection down here. We have a floating baffle here that helps with our dust collection, but it is integrated into the bumper. So it is part of the machine. It's not just, you know, an aftermarket thought. Okay, so we're all geared up. You can see our LED light is lit up, and I'm just gonna depress the piston, and then I will go forward again and put this down, and I can run it, you know, like this, just so you guys can see it. So I've got it slightly back so that the unit will start, won't start if it's all the way up. So we have to have some tilt. So just one half pass with the handle forward. And again, this gives me some downward pressure on the head. All right, so let's just have a look. I'll give a little feel to the floor here. Again, as you can see, I've got good dust collection. The floor is fairly flat. We've got good stock removal. Stain is off, finish is off, and that was 4 passes essentially, 2 earlier and then 2 just now. And we're at a 16-inch cutting path. And I believe they list this as about 3 centimeters from the wall is what your cut path is going to be from this edge of the dust skirt to where the actual cut path of the machine is. Well built, well thought out, a lot of features with the contractor in mind. We've got great dust collection, great sight lines with the LED lights. Non-marking wheels, easy travel base, really user-friendly up and down on the handle without having to reach down and use our feet to kick up a knob. Overall, great machine.